This is the most powerful natural remedy for cough, mucus, and colds, and pharmacies will never talk about it. Healers used this simple syrup for centuries to clear mucus faster than anything else you have at home. Take 1 thumb of ginger and grate it. Ginger warms your airways, breaks thick mucus, and opens the lungs. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. This is one of nature's strongest anti-inflammatory spices. It calms sore throat, reduces coughing, and boosts your immune system instantly. Now squeeze 1 lemon for vitamin C and antioxidants. This is what helps your body fight the cold naturally. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. This is clinically proven to reduce cough, soothe irritation, and protect your throat at night. Finally, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of warm water, not boiling. Mix it until you get a thick, golden syrup. Take 1 spoon in the morning and 1 spoon at night. You will feel your chest opening, mucus loosening, inflammation calming, and your energy returning. If nature didn't make it, don't take it.